Hello everyone, it is Andrea and today I'm coming at you with the June 2025 mystery reveal. This is such a pretty mystery and I just want to let you know that I hand collated all of it, which I haven't collated a mystery in about 100 years, but if there's any issues, it was me. It was me this time. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into it. So here is the collection. I'm so excited. So this is National Park inspired. This is exclusive art by Darcy and I am so excited about it. So let's go ahead and open her up. So if you are interested in this kit in particular, I would check the buy sell trade group. You can no longer get it from me. If you sign up next month starting on June 1st, you will get a different collection. It'll be a collection that'll ship at the end of June. So let's go into the kit and let me give you all of the close-up goodies. So this again, like I said, is exclusive art. I'm obsessed. National Park inspired. Could be very camping, could be very fall, end of summer, during summer, anytime you want to feel outdoorsy. But I'm obsessed with this. I think this is so pretty, so fun, and I love the vibes. I love all of the little elements with all of the different national parks and the little postcards, the National Geographics, the camping food, all of the supplies, and I love these colors together. There is a little extra scene here. Super cute patterns, especially love this green one. And then we get into the bottom washi, which again has that pattern there with the little tent over here, camping. And then your freebie page here has some more fashion options as well as the doodles. So that is the ultimate collection. Let me show you the foil, because the foil is the new gilded format. So this is gonna be the first mystery that comes with this new format. It's kind of hard to see with the lights, but this is the new gilded. Let me show you. So it's like just like a sprinkling of foil, and I'm obsessed with it. I feel like it's gonna match so much. But this is in matte silver. So you have the two pages here, which have the full boxes and the header overlays, the gilded underlays, which are the two like bougie boxes. You have the icons and scripts, which have the new font for the scripts on there. And then last but not least, you also do have the bottom washi page, which has the bottom washi, the gilded pattern here, as well as on the hole reinforcers. And there is also gilded deco bits, as well as the new font for the numbers. So very excited about that and hope you're excited about it too. I think matte silver is really pretty with this. If you want to do something more vibrant, I do think like a gold hollow could be really pretty, or something that maybe brings in this pink color would be really fun as well. Matte bronze, matte silver. I feel like mattes always go really nicely with Darcy, but another one, if you want to go a little bit more fun, I think that you could do an olive, a brown, or even a lavender hollow because of this like kind of like purpley fuchsia color. I think that'd be really, really pretty. And then let me show you the add-on options, which will come to shop on the 1st. So you do have the label sampler as well as label 2, which is that purple color. You have the doodle and then the doodle 2. And then you do have extra fashion box option if you want to add that on. There is the functional as well as the ombre, and then there is the solid boxes, or the pattern boxes, as well as the solid, which the solid is kind of to like mimic the like sky with the little stars. I thought that was really, really pretty and brings in more of that purpley color. And then there is, oopsie, sorry. That's for carnival nights. Then you have all the scribblers as well, of course. So that is the ultimate kit and the add-ons that will be available in shop on the 1st. And then I'll go through and show you the journaling set as well, in case you're subscribed to the journaling collection or the duo, which is the ultimate and the journaling. So here is the bag, and then you open it and we'll go through all of the sheets. This one is in my copy. I'm so obsessed with this. I feel like Darcy art looks so pretty on matte paper too. So you have the first page here, page 2. I'm going to start putting in somewhere in the kit like a little month that I think this would go really well with, and you can obviously use it or not use it, but I just thought so you had the option if you wanted to use it for a monthly page of any type, whether it's in your reading journal, your Hobonichi, wherever, even your Erin Condren, you have an option to have like a month in there, and it doesn't take up too much room, you know. You have the torn papers, the washi strips, the arch sticker, the monthly sheet, the fashion page. This one I did the little friendship beads, which I've just been obsessed with these, the watercolor splashes, and then also in this one I did do the monthly sheet here just to have a bunch of bits and bobs and extras. So that is everything for this month. Next month I am changing it up a little bit, but not too much. I just finished it. Next month is so pretty. It's Jess art, and it is like Kirsten like I'm sure she's like excited about all of them that come in, but she like made a point to text me and been like, oh my God, it's so pretty. And I'm like, I know. So yes, this is everything for this month. Let me know if you have any questions, comments, or concerns in the comments down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will talk to y'all in my next video.